too real?
Or AI. Here, we believe in the pursuit of authenticity. Your task is simple. Determine what is genuine and what has been generated.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, your host, Val Meridian!
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you.
Thank you. Tonight, we have 3 brave contestants ready to test their perception.
This one has a flux look.
It looks real to me. I don't know.
Lock in your answers. Real and delicious, people.
If that's real, we're all gonna need new clothes.
I came prepared. Lock in those answers. AI. Pity. I really wanted to make a mess.
It's giving Sea Dream V4 vibes.
No! Look at that little brown spot. That's a real imperfection.
Only one way to know for sure.
Lock in! Real! Beautifully, messily real!
And now, our very special final round.
Wait! But these are real people!
Are they? That's the game.
What the?
Take your time. Please.